In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run code in Notion. This simple process lets you use Notion not only as a powerful organizer, but also as a great place to display and format your code snippets. Whether you're a coder, a student, or someone who just wants to showcase code in an elegant way, this tutorial will guide you through the effortless process of running code in Notion. First, let's talk about Notion. Notion is not just a note-taking application. It's a versatile workspace that allows you to create and customize your notes, databases, and pretty much anything you can dream up. So integrating your code snippets into Notion can be particularly useful if you're working on software development or want to keep your notes and code organized in one place. Let's get started by opening up Notion. Navigate to the page where you want your code to be displayed. If you're creating a new page, that's great. Just make sure you're in edit mode so you can make the changes you want. Now, once you're in your page, to add a code block, you'll want to type the /key followed by the word code. That's an easy little shortcut in Notion that allows you to quickly find the option to insert a code block. As you type, you'll notice Notion suggests so many options, but right now we're focusing on inserting a code block. Next, select the option to add a code block from the drop-down menu. It's usually right at the top or near the top of the list of options that appears. This feature works great for pasting code from virtually any programming language you're working with. After you've inserted the code block, it's time to paste your code inside. Simply copy your code from wherever it is currently stored and paste it directly into the code block you've just created. The formatting will adjust to keep your code looking tidy and readable. Once your code is neatly inside the block, direct your attention to the language drop-down option, usually located in the top right corner of the code block. Click on it, and you'll see a list of supported programming languages. This is important for syntax highlighting, which helps in making your code more readable and colorful according to the language's structure. Finally, scroll through the list of available languages and select the one that corresponds to the code you've inserted. Notion supports a wide array of languages such as Python, JavaScript, HTML, and many others, so you'll likely find what you need there. And that's it! You now have your code displayed in Notion with the appropriate formatting and syntax highlighting, which is super helpful when tracking projects or learning new languages. This integration makes Notion a handy tool for both personal and professional use, letting you manage both your tasks and technical projects in one spot. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy coding in Notion.